name's MiguelReyes. I go to John Muir High School, been a senior. I'm in the Engineering and Environmental Science Academy. The internships I've done, I did research at Caltech during this past summer. I think it was a wonderful experience. I got to do research. I had my own lab. It was just like something to experience. Like I always wanted to do science related, and I got to do research, and it was fantastic. And I know that that's what I want to do. It was research on a catalyst for a hydrogen oxidation reaction. So it's like splitting water into hydrogen, a gas, and oxygen. So it's just the basic idea was to put a catalyst on a solar panel, dump it into like a water base, and then when the line shines, the solar panel produces electricity, and the electricity breaks the water into hydrogen gas, and then that's how you store energy in hydrogen gas, so you could burn it as an energy resource. For me, it had to be like computer skills. You need to know how to present your data, and also work ethics. You have to know how to like share your space and work with other people productively. You're in the classroom, you just see it, you like plug in the numbers, and that's it. You really like connect to the equation, like you don't know what you're doing. And when you actually get to do it, you know what it is for and what it used it for. And English too, like I always like, why is my teacher making me read all these books? And then when you get to do like an internship, I was reading like research papers. They were like pretty big, so I had to read a lot. So you get in the habit of reading, and something good I got out of my internship that I got to feel like the real world, what I'm actually gonna be doing, if I like it or not. So I think that's really important. Well, I always wanted to be a scientist, but like I never really like knew what I wanted to do, what field I wanted to go into. And then after my research, like I had a pretty good idea what I like, what I don't like, and I guess like for other people, they just say, oh, I want to be a scientist, I want to be an engineer, and they don't really know what it takes to be there. And as for myself, like I know what I need to do, I know what I need to, what class I need, what experiences I need, and what, I guess you said, like talents or I think it's important to have internships because it connects to the classes you take. Like for example, like we'll just sit and take notes, listen to the teachers, and when you have an internship, you actually get to connect those to the real world and then the real applications it has. And also like you get to have a feeling of what you want to do and what you don't want to do. Like I took AP chemistry, and that was before my internship at Caltech, and most of the equations I used in my internship I learned in that year. So it does help a lot. Like you get to do the book work, and then you actually get to do the hands-on